Welcome to School MS, the trusted school ERP software built specifically for Indian schools. This is the complete school management system designed to streamline every aspect of your institution, from student enrollment and teacher management to fee collection, attendance tracking, grade publishing, and parent communication. School MS brings everything together in one powerful, mobile-friendly platform. It is not just software, it is a digital transformation tool that empowers schools to operate more efficiently, save time, and deliver a better experience for every stakeholder. School MS is built to simplify the daily challenges of school administration. Administrators gain full oversight of operations. Teachers manage classes and assessments with ease. Parents stay informed about their child's progress, and students access their schedules, grades, and notices instantly. Every user has a dedicated portal tailored to their role, ensuring clarity, security, and efficiency. No clutter, no confusion, just the tools they need right at their fingertips. Let's explore the features that make School MS the most complete solution for modern schools. The Student Information System maintains detailed student profiles, including enrollment history, contact details, academic records, and guardian information, all stored in a searchable database. Attendance management allows teachers to mark daily attendance directly from any device, while administrators can view absence trends, generate reports, and send automatic alerts to parents when a child is absent. Grade and exam management records marks, computes grades, and publishes results instantly across unit tests, midterms, and final exams. Fee and payment management automates billing cycles, issues invoices, accepts online and offline payments, tracks dues, and generates receipts, all supported by real-time financial dashboards. Timetable scheduling builds and publishes weekly class timetables, assigns subjects to teachers, and avoids scheduling conflicts. Announcements and notices allow schools to publish updates targeted to specific audiences, whether it's all students, a single class, or teachers only, with instant push notifications. The Parent Portal empowers parents with real-time visibility into attendance, grades, fee dues, and school announcements, reducing the need for phone calls to the office. The Analytics dashboard provides interactive charts and KPI cards, giving administrators instant insights into enrollment numbers, fee collection rates, and academic performance. School MS supports 6 distinct user roles: admin, manager, teacher, student, parent, and staff. Each role comes with a personalized dashboard, permissions, and data visibility. Admins have total oversight and control of the system. Managers handle finance and operations. Teachers manage attendance and grades. Students access their academic information. Parents monitor progress and dues. And staff use operational tools for non-teaching tasks. This role-based access ensures that every stakeholder sees only what is relevant to them, keeping the system secure and easy to use. School MS is 100% mobile-friendly. It runs seamlessly on Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, and Linux. It is accessible through all major browsers including Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, and Opera. And with our progressive web app, you can install School MS directly from your browser without needing an app store. This means teachers can mark attendance straight from their phone, parents can check fee dues instantly, and students can download their timetable anytime, anywhere. Our modules are built for real schools and address the core needs of daily administration. The Fee Management module defines customized fee structures per class and academic session, automates billing cycles, tracks per-student payment history, flags overdue accounts, and generates printable receipts. Attendance tracking allows teachers to mark attendance class by class, while administrators view school-wide summaries and trend charts. Automated push notifications alert parents when their child is absent. The Gradebook and Academic Reports module records marks for multiple exam types, computes grades automatically, and provides instant result access for students and parents. Announcements and messaging enable schools to broadcast notices or target specific classes, roles, or individuals with real-time push notifications reaching users on any device. Every module is designed to reduce manual work, improve communication, and keep the school community connected. Schools across India choose School MS because it is designed specifically for the Indian school ecosystem. It supports multiple boards including CBSE, ICSE, and state boards, with preloaded regional datasets for West Bengal, Kolkata, Howrah, Siliguri, and more. It is cloud-hosted with zero infrastructure cost, requires no servers to maintain, and offers automatic updates with 99.9% uptime. It works on any device, anywhere, and provides secure, role-gated access with HTTPS enforced. Instant push notifications keep parents, teachers, and students informed in real time, whether it's fee reminders, absence alerts, exam results, or school notices. Built on an open, extensible stack with Next.js, Prisma, and MySQL, School MS gives your IT team full control with the ability to audit, extend, and self-host without vendor lock-in. Getting started with School MS is simple and fast. Step 1. Deploy and configure the system on your server or use our hosted version. Import your school's existing data using the built-in seeder, including students, teachers, classes, and subjects, all in one command. Step 2. Create user accounts for every role, with bulk imports supported for large schools. Step 3. Set up classes and subjects, define your academic year, create class sections, assign subjects, and link teachers. Step 4. Go live. Teachers can start marking attendance from day 1. Parents gain instant visibility into their child's progress, and administrators get full control from the dashboard. School MS is more than just software. It is the future of school administration. It digitizes operations, empowers staff, engages parents, and keeps students connected. By reducing manual work, improving communication, and providing real-time insights, School MS helps schools focus on what truly matters: delivering quality education. Ready to transform your school? Get started free today with School MS, the complete school management system built for Indian schools.